One second, doctor. This is steady. Are you hearing the pain?
Before it must have come out.
Yes, yes, absolutely. I explain about that, doctor. Let me show you. This is the other X-ray.
Okay.
Okay, now. Okay.
Yep. Good.
Okay, deep cleaning, profit, oral education. So the next visit is to fix it number 30. Is that right?
Yes, sir.
Okay, doctor. Thank you so much.
We're done.
Yes. Number 30.
Okay, that's
So
it.
yeah, no problem. So I see you. Thank you. Bye bye. My appointment is over. Need to really go back next time to my doctor. Working from the water. Yeah.